Hey everyone, Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and today I'm going to show you guys on the Seadoos how to install this. The cup holder and the mount. It's also got rod holder attachment. So I'm going to show you how to install this on your Seadoo. These are 2021 GTXs. And here is your part number for this, and it comes with the top brace, bottom brace. If you're only going to use it for a cup holder, you only need to install this one. And then of course it comes with the screws. So you've got a total of 5 screws there. And then if you want to know the actual instructions, you're going to go to the brp.com and you're going to type in that part number. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the seats. Now with the seats removed, you're going to want to go ahead and open your top latch here, and then you've got a T30 bolt there and a little plastic rivet here. What I like to use on the rivet is a little pair of pliers, or these are little side cutters, but I just gently go in here, pop it out, and pull the whole thing out. And you've got a T30, and this is just screwed into the fiberglass, so when you tighten this back up, do not do it too tight. It's just holding a flimsy little piece of plastic on, that's about it. After that, come over here and you're gonna pry this up just a little bit. It's loose, you just have to get it past this piece here. So just kind of finagle it out, lift it up and pass, and then pull up. And this piece is out. This is where you're going to install it. I know I've seen other guys show that you have to do a template. They've got the template in PDF form. You can actually print it out and tape it here and mark your holes, but like you can see here, this already has the holes marked. So you're going to drill these 3 holes with a 3/8 drill bit, and then if you want the bottom piece, which is the rod holder extension, you're going to drill these 2 holes. You do not drill this one. So let's take it over and drill these out. Then you want to just center your drill, and you want to drill it. And then do the same thing for the other 2 holes, or other 4 holes if you're going to do these 2. Right now with all the holes drilled, this is going to mount on the outside. See the little indent here that goes up on this little lip. 3 holes, 3 little buttons. Fits just like that. On the back side, you stick your 3 screws, and it is a 8mm or 5/16 wrench or socket. And let's go ahead and do that now. All right, you just snug these down. Remember, you're screwing into plastic here, so snug is all you need. Just not over tighten. And that's nice and tight, and then you have your mount. It's installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the bottom one. All right, so you can see we got both of them installed. And now it's time to put the cover back on the ski. All right, so for this step here, you're just gonna place this in there. If you've ever taken this off before, pretty much know how it's done. Just line it up right there, just lift up. And then you're gonna push it in past this clip here. All right, with that piece back on, you're just gonna put your screw back here, your plastic rivet, and you are finished. All right, from that point, screws in, rivets in, close your lid. Your mount is securely attached. Put your seats back on. With your seats and everything back on, you've got the cup holder. This is going to go one way and it's going to fit in this hole, not this. This is actually for a rod holder. So you can see on the cup holder, you've got a little hook it goes into. You don't have to depress this by putting it in, but you will be depressing that to take it out. So to put it in, you basically just line it up and snap it in. It's secure. To take it out, underneath, just push that little tab and push up. That's it, guys. So that's how you install the cup holder, rod holder on the Seadoo GTX. Keep watching the channel and the descriptions, and these little guys are going to come into play. It's going to be an attachment for this setup to be able to run a flagpole. So kind of neat little thing I'm designing, putting together. It's almost there, and it'll be available for purchase. But if you have not hit subscribe yet, go ahead and hit subscribe and that bell right next to it. You'll be notified every time I load up a video. It is hot out here. Got to go. Tomorrow, going to be on the water. Talk to you next time.